Have you ever wondered how TikTok knows what videos you'll like? Or how Google finds answers in seconds? The secret behind all of this is something called an algorithm. And today, you'll learn what it is in just a few minutes. What is an algorithm? Key points. An algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions for solving a problem or completing a task. Computers use algorithms constantly. Example: making a sandwich. Get bread. Add peanut butter. Add jelly. Put slices together. Eat. Script. An algorithm is simply a list of steps. Just like a recipe tells you how to cook food, an algorithm tells a computer what to do. Algorithms in everyday life. Examples: GPS finds the fastest route. YouTube suggests videos. Netflix recommends shows. Instagram chooses which posts appear first. Script. Even when you're not coding, you're surrounded by algorithms every day. Fun human algorithm activity. Demonstration. Tell a robot how to brush teeth. Pick up toothbrush. Add toothpaste. Brush teeth. Rinse. Key lesson. Computers follow instructions exactly. Missing steps cause mistakes. Script. Computers aren't smart like humans. They can only follow the instructions we give them. Why algorithms matter in programming. Key points. Algorithms help computers solve problems, make decisions, organize data, find information quickly. Example: finding a name in a contact list. Simple coding example. Example algorithm. Check if a number is even. Take a number. Divide by 2. If remainder is 0 even. Otherwise odd. Simple pseudocode. Input number. If number %2 is equal to 0. Print even. Else. Print odd. Script. This is an algorithm written in a way that a computer can understand. Famous algorithms you use every day. Search algorithms. Recommendation algorithms. Navigation algorithms. Face recognition algorithm. Fun fact: billions of algorithms run every second around the world. Quick challenge for viewers. Can you create an algorithm for making a cup of tea or getting ready for school? Write the steps in the comment. Recap and outro. Summary. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions. Computers use them to solve problems. Apps, games, and websites all rely on algorithms. Learning algorithms is the first step toward becoming a programmer. Call to action. If you enjoyed learning about algorithms, hit like, subscribe, and join Codecraft Teens for more awesome coding and tech videos. Please comment if you have any question. That was fun.
Subscribe and join the journey bright. Keep learning, keep building day